Hey everyone, I'm Patrick from Biz Builders, and if you want to create an LLC for your YouTube channel in 2026, this is definitely for you. I'm going to show you the actual fastest way to get your YouTube LLC up and running and protect yourself from content creator risks. So here's the thing. You have two options. Option 1, spend weeks navigating your state's Secretary of State website, understanding content creator liability, filing paperwork, figuring out YouTube income tax implications, getting your EIN, finding a registered agent, and, well, hoping you don't mess something up. Or option 2, let professionals handle everything while you focus on, actually creating content and growing your channel. Now, I tried the DIY route once when setting up my YouTube LLC. Big mistake. Between understanding copyright protection, defamation liability, filing fees, creating proper operating agreements for content creation, and spending countless hours on government websites, I wasted 3 months and still had to pay someone to fix my mistakes. So yeah, not fun. Here's what you actually need to create a YouTube LLC quickly. First, obviously, your business name. Something that matches your channel brand or gives you flexibility to expand. Second, get a registered agent with a street address in your state. This person receives legal documents for your LLC. Third, file your articles of organization with your state. Fourth, get your EIN from the IRS for tax purposes and YouTube monetization. Fifth, create an operating agreement that addresses content creation, revenue sharing if you have partners, and intellectual property rights. Sixth, consider getting media liability insurance. And seventh, open a business bank account for your YouTube earnings. Now, this sounds simple, but YouTube LLCs have unique complications. Copyright infringement protection, defamation liability, sponsorship income reporting, merchandise sales tax, and proper separation of personal and business expenses. One mistake can expose your personal assets to lawsuits or cost you thousands in taxes. That's why I recommend Taylor Brands. Look, they handle everything: registered agent service, state filing, EIN application, content creator specific operating agreement, even help with your business bank account setup. Most importantly, they understand the unique requirements for YouTube businesses and do it right the first time. Here's the best part. Through our exclusive partnership, you can get started for $0 plus your state's filing fees. That's literally the cost of doing it yourself, but with professional help and YouTube expertise. So stop wasting time on paperwork when you could be creating content. Use our link in the description, get your YouTube LLC formed properly, and start protecting your channel today. Trust me, your future successful creator self will thank you. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more real business advice. I'll see you in the next video.